囝，做兄弟好过世，逐工亲近靠大牛。
这些原料
哦，
你知道这是半成品裤，
对对对，
这是看原料。
原料material. I mean the original
Okay.
hair. Original hair. Yeah.
直接从国外进的原料。
Can we take pictures?
Yeah. 可以拍照是吧？
可以。
可以。Yeah.
So which one is this one? In Chinese hair?
Chinese.
不是，这是缅甸坊。
对，年龄
缅甸坊。梅尔玛。梅尔玛。Yeah.
Okay.
Myanmar.
梅尔玛 ，Yeah。大概多长这个
26吧。
？26。
Okay.
So is this from one person?
No, not one person. Yeah. Yeah. You want to see here
So from
one
here,
person?
so this is how you buy it. Yeah, we have to see the one person one. So this is how you buy it. This is how they buy it.
How? What?
This is how you buy it. Does the hair come like this?
Yeah, come like this.
Okay.
Yeah, come like this.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
What about the one from one person?
One person. 有没有变化？变化让我们看。
属于这里有变很多。没有中国变，然后这里这里裤子。
Wow.
This way.
那边不对，那边不好玩。
Yeah, then we wash it after. Yeah.
你好，你好。
So these are the Chinese hair that got bleached.
这些，李经理，这些是中国发漂的吗？
啊，对。
这些，是啊。Yeah, Chinese hair.
Chinese hair. This is from one person.
Yeah, one person, one donor. Some customers say
So
that.
this one is one.
Yeah, one person.
Small.
Yeah.
This is Indian
Yeah.
hair.
No, Chinese hair. 中国发不是？
这是缅甸的。
缅甸没有？哦，This is Myanmar. Yeah, Myanmar.
Which country is that?
Do you remember the girl that came
Myanmar.
in class with
Southeast.
the
这是中国的 Chinese。
这种。
in OB class?
Oh.
She came for us to sign
I
the
wasn't saying. I didn't come. This is Chinese.
Chinese hair.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is
Okay.
Chinese hair.
yeah, Chinese
Yeah.
hair.
More straight. Yeah. More straight and strong.
这就是变化。
So yeah.
So when they
This
bleach
is
it,
yeah.
it's
bleached.
like this.
This is Chinese hair, bleached.
Okay.
Platinum blonde, 613.
Okay. This is what Sandra used for.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see?
Okay.
Yeah. Chinese hair, stronger.
It's stronger. So even though it's bleached, it's still strong.
Okay. Yeah. Really.
So nice.
Yeah.
So this, if you want to sell it, you just sell it together, one donor. You don't mix it with anything else.
Yeah, mixed. Not one by one. Not sell as one. It's mixed. Just the
Okay.
quality different.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
it's
do you have one donor here?
one donor.
Like one package is only from one donor.
One donor just means the quality, but when we make the product hair weft, one bundle, not actually one donor,
Oh.
just mixed like that. Yeah,
Oh.
yeah,
这
just
里这边都是半
半成品啊，just the quality different.
Okay.
Yeah,
He's showing us something there.
yeah.
主要是头套还是发帘的？
因为主要是发帘。
这种都是半成品。 就直接可以做造型的一类。
哦。hair weft， 这是什么呀？
这个是
This
倒
is
顺
Myanmar.
倒水脸，
啊
哦，棉链，
对，缅甸
棉链倒水哈。This ram here by manual work。
Okay.
你说这是半成楼上的成品。
哦，
Okay.